Hello guys, today I got this another product from Flipkart. It was delivered today. This is my first time shopping from Flipkart, so let's unbox it. So revealing about the product, it is Mark Cliff Gorilla Tripod. You can see the box is very good. It's very hard and it's compact. There's nothing else in the package. I got three things inside this box. One is tripod, one is a phone holder, and another one is this remote control. I mean, like, this is a remote, not a remote control. Yeah, remote control, remote. And there's nothing else inside the box. It says mini tripod 13-inch for mobile phone with holder for mobile, flexible gorilla stand for DSLR and action camera. It can be used for DSLR and for action cameras too. So it is 13-inch long. Okay, I'll reveal the price in the end of the video, so stay tuned till the end. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. I thought it was a bit bigger. I wasn't expecting the size, like expecting this size. I was expecting a little bit longer, but it's okay. It's flexible, I guess. Good. Make it stand. I think the grip is good. This holder can be fixed in two ways. One, it's here below. Another one is here. You can fix it like upside down, like downside up, upside down. Yeah, upside down. I don't know, whatever. You can fix it from this side too. It goes like this. Ta-da. And the use of this is like whenever you want to click a photos or something, you can fix this tripod somewhere else. You can connect this with a Bluetooth, and from here you can click a photo, which means you don't have to use a hand. On off button is on this side. Off, on, it's simple. And we get this kind of battery. Okay, it is a remote shutter, and I got this, all of this for $3.99. You can approximately 400, just ₹1 less. So you can buy this from Flipkart in just 499 rupees. It's good actually. It's not that bad, but I was expecting a little bit longer than this one, but it's okay. It will do the good work. it for today.